Aico's been a really positive introduction in terms of our project and programme. So we're using a proactive way. We work with customers with the app and all of that. But actually, in terms of moving us forward as an organisation, we're now being proactive. We become stewardship of our own properties. Rather than relying on a customer to phone in or write a letter or come into the office, we're looking at the dashboards, at the data, we're actively monitoring to see how that property is performing, whether it's increased humidity levels, and it's like, has anybody moved in, or are they putting washing on a radiator, or are they cooking more, or have they got a medical condition? So actually the data lends us looking at different trends, and actually it tells us what's going on in a property. But also it helps us with customer behavioural changes, because we can say, well, look, this is what's happening. So we don't use it for that big brother impact. It's actually a tool for us, a tool for the customer. So they have like healthy homes, but then they can see what they're doing, and then they can counteract it by opening a window, or I don't know, not putting washing on a radiator, or actually opening their trickle vents on windows, or putting their fans on like they're supposed to. So it becomes an interactive piece of equipment rather than just a bog standard tick box exercise of monitoring and recording.